Did you know that many families are completely changing the way they approach real estate because of inflation and low credit challenges? With rising prices, higher interest rates, and tighter budgets, families are becoming more strategic than ever before. And today, we're talking about some of the smartest real estate moves people are making right now. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling pressure from inflation, rising rent prices, or credit challenges, you are definitely not alone. Right now, many families are realizing that the old way of thinking about home ownership no longer works in today's market. Instead of rushing into decisions, people are becoming more intentional, more financially aware, and more strategic. And honestly, that can actually be a good thing. Moving to more affordable areas. One of the biggest trends happening right now is families relocating to more affordable cities or suburban areas. People are leaving extremely expensive markets and moving where housing costs, taxes, and everyday living expenses are lower. Why? Because affordability matters more now than appearances. Families are focusing less on dream zip codes and more on long-term stability. Multi-generational living. Another major move families are making is multi-generational living. That means parents, grandparents, or adult children living together under one roof. This setup helps reduce monthly expenses, split bills, and even create stronger financial security during uncertain economic times. What used to be uncommon is now becoming very normal. Improving credit before buying. A lot of families are also slowing down and focusing on repairing or rebuilding credit before buying a home. And honestly, this is one of the smartest moves someone can make. A better credit score can mean lower interest rates, lower monthly payments, and better loan options. Instead of rushing into expensive financing, many people are taking 6 months to a year to improve their financial position first. House hacking and extra income. Another trend growing fast is called house hacking. This is when homeowners rent out part of their property to help offset the mortgage. Some families are renting spare bedrooms, creating small guest suites, or purchasing duplexes and living in one side. The goal is simple: reduce financial pressure and create additional income. Buying based on budget, not ego. One of the healthiest shifts happening right now is that families are learning to buy based on affordability instead of pressure. People are realizing just because you qualify for a certain amount does not mean you should spend that amount. Financial peace matters. Inflation and low credit challenges may change the market, but smart planning still creates opportunities. The families who prepare, budget wisely, improve their credit, and think long-term are positioning themselves for stronger financial futures. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone preparing to buy a home in today's market. And remember, your current situation does not have to determine your future. See you in the next video.